Are you about to start a remodeling project on an older home? You might not know the risk factors inherent in your home's age. Environmental hazards like lead and asbestos have been proven to cause health issues. So in this video, we're going to help you understand the basics of both, why you should test, and exactly how to test. Hi, I'm Jeremiah Villa, a project manager here at Lamont Brothers Design and Construction. I've worked on many projects over the years where we've encountered hazardous materials, from lead on exteriors and millwork to asbestos-laden insulation and adhesives. Today, I'll walk you through the importance of getting your home tested for lead and asbestos. Let's begin. What are lead and asbestos? Lead is a heavy metal that was added to paint to keep vibrant colors truer for longer. It was widely used on exteriors for its UV protective qualities and on interior millwork for a smooth but durable finish. Asbestos is a fibrous mineral, similar to fiberglass, that was used for its thermal resistance and as a flame retarder on many adhesives, insulations, mortars, and plasters. Why should we test for lead and asbestos? If we begin deconstruction without knowing what we're removing, we risk contaminating our clients' belongings and bringing contaminants home to our families. Lead is a neurotoxin and can be harmful to anyone, but is especially bad for children under the age of 6, as their brains are still developing. While asbestos exposure can lead to cardiovascular disease and cancer. Any level of exposure to these hazardous materials can be harmful. How do we test for lead and asbestos? During our subcontractor walkthrough, we invite one of our trade partners that is licensed and trained to collect samples and test for asbestos. During that same walkthrough, your project manager will test for lead-contaminated materials. All of our project managers and superintendents are trained to recognize materials that could be hazardous. As we begin peeling back the layers of your home, if we come across a material that could be contaminated, we'll test it before disturbing it and act accordingly. Remember, understanding what environmental hazards like lead and asbestos are is just as important as knowing how and why we test for them. When you're ready to start remodeling your older home, check out the 2 articles we have linked below that talk through how to deal with lead and asbestos during your remodel. Continue to inform yourself and stay tuned for more expert advice and valuable insight to guide you through your remodeling journey.